I don't want to go to school today.
Whoa, oh, what are they doing to me? Gosh.
Ugh, finally, school's out. Charlotte! Yes, I get to go see Charlotte.
I think it's in my mom's car. Hopefully Charlotte's in there. Come on, Charlotte, let's go play with your new toy.
Charlotte, come on, let's go play.
Oh no, I think she's coming. Oh, that hurt. Oh, hello, Charlotte. Hi. I haven't seen you in a while. I just wanted to say hi. Oh, hi. Oh no, I think I'm gonna go. Hi! Whoa. Charlotte, are you coming? Oh no, what's all this wetness? Charlotte, where are you going? Whoa, I think I'm gonna go. Why are you randomly standing in front of me? This is kind of an awkward position. Charlotte, why are you ignoring me? Like, I'm... Oh, okay, bye. Okay. Charlotte? Charlotte, calm down. Stop moving. You are going out. Don't worry. Charlotte, I thought you had left me. Charlotte, ignore human friend. Come to me. Charlotte, we can play now. Charlotte, you scared me. Thank you for coming back out. I got really scared. Don't ever leave me like that again.